So today we are going to make some bubbles! Welcome to our channel. Do like, subscribe and comment.
No! What? We forgot the bubble!
Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I think we should start making the bubbles. First of all, we need the ingredients. So we need a plate. You can use a small plate, big plate or a bowl. Then we need some water. As I have a small plate, as I have a small plate, I use little water. Then we need some bottles to make the bubbles.
What?
Can I have the bottles?
Okay, but only flavor.
That's it. Yeah. So either you can use a big bottle, a small bottle. In my case, I used a small bottle. You can use a big too. So you can cut the small bottle with the scissors or a cutter. But cutters.
No, it's not scissors. It's a catchy.
Yeah. So but use the help of a grown-up because scissors and cutters can be
Dangerous.
yes. So
And water for babies to right.
yeah. So I
And
will
catchy
use a
for
marker.
not for baby. It's wrong.
Yeah. So I used a marker.
Marker is really good and catchy.
As I'll use the sock. Whichever sock you
What's
like, you can
socking?
use this one, or I recommend
What
to
is
use a
socking?
bit fluffy one,
What is socks?
so you'll get more
baby?
bubbles. Socks is the best thing to wear. Okay.
But what is socks is doing here?
So I measured it.
Then what socks
You have
doing
to
here?
use the
What
ankle.
is Didi?
Yeah. Don't disturb. Two people are learning.
And burning.
Over here is the ankle. You
And
cut from
burning.
here. Yeah.
And burning
So
is
we can mark it on the bottle too.
bottle. And flower
The
is
length we
you
need.
can be careful not to touch it.
So I use this and I cut this.
Except
So
it's a
when I
light
cut the
one.
socks, I get this part. Sorry, I used another socks, but still. And then when I cut the bottle from a cutter or scissors, I'll get this. You have to use the open part, like the one which we drink from, and this part. So I'll keep this aside.
But
Keep
don't
it safe, okay?
And don't
So now
be
we'll
careful
make
not
the
to
mixture.
touch it. And
Use
Didi,
a plate.
remember to be careful not to touch it, okay?
Yeah, okay. So now we'll use a soap. I used a dishwash soap. You can use the soap anywhere you find at home. So I did put it in this.
Then let's put some water on.
Yeah.
Water
So,
so can
I'll
be
put
mixed
some water.
already. And then,
So I used the whole water, but it's alright.
but let's
So-
mix it.
So I mixed it with my hand. You can mix it with a spoon, anything.
But
Then we put more soap, a bit more, not that much.
more. Can
That's enough. So now we mix it again until you see small bubbles, little ones. Then we take our bottle, we put the socks in it. Don't put the socks above this, otherwise how will blow it and it's dirty. Okay, so now I take this, I dip it in this. So now we can see how will the bubble come out. Okay. So yeah, so my sister's collecting it.
How much did the brother take me?
Yeah.
And the brother with me a
As you can see,
bubble.
it's so fluffy and long. You can make a
And we
million
can,
bubbles from
and we
it.
can blow it like this.
Yeah. Oh my god. It's child friendly. So, but use the help of an adult to cut. So now my little sister will make it. Come on. Dip. Slowly, yeah. Oh my god. It's so much. Come on, try it again. Whoa, it's so good, right? Okay, I'll try. Wow. Wow, as you can see, there's much quantity of bubbles. You can make a lot more. So thank you for watching.
And no, get some more bubbles. Oh, see my bottle.
Yeah, of course, get some more bubbles. Thank you for watching.
No, you need some more bubbles to crack.
That's enough.
And look at me. And
Okay, that's enough. They're getting bored. Okay, we'll show them next week time, okay? Bye.
bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.
One more video. And don't worry, and be careful to make up bubbles. Bye-bye. yes, yes. We can